Well, looks like I'm ready to do some more pressure washing with the battery powered Ryobi 2000 PSI 1.2 gallons per minute battery powered pressure washer. I'm gonna do the sidewalk and then the porch up there. I'm probably going to run it on 2000 PSI. I expect to get about 20 minutes per pair of batteries. And I have 4 batteries, which is 2 sets. And we'll see how far along I get. 4:23, I've got 23 minutes on those 2 batteries that time. You can see where I ended. Time to get some more batteries. I just put the 2 batteries on that I was using, and this is kind of an amber light. I don't know if it's because they're too warm or what, but I'm gonna leave them on this time. Last time I left them off and then put them on, and then they charged okay. So curious to see if they kick on and start charging when it cools off a little bit. .46, and I finished the sidewalk. That was 45 minutes. See how much time I have left on the batteries. Oh, it's at the end. Both at the end. All right, so the charger did start working on its own, and this one's at 1 and that one's at 2. And these are the 2 batteries that I just brought in. And so it looks like it's break time. It's 5:51 and the first set of batteries just finished charging. I'm about to switch them. 7:15, I'm gonna see if I could get the whole porch done. .38, and I made it all maybe a little over halfway through, so it's going to be close, but we'll see if I can finish on the next set of batteries. Eight o'clock on the dot. So close. All right, I got 10 minutes out of the little batteries, which was plenty to do the last little section. And I kind of cleaned off a little bit of the rest of the porch, getting some of the dirt off. Just washing it. So, done.